Fixing your life after it's fallen apart may not require a miracle. It might just need 5 powerful principles. These aren't just any rules. They come from one of history's greatest warriors, Miyamoto Musashi, a master swordsman who faced defeat, danger, and darkness, yet rose to legendary heights. His wisdom might just be the blueprint you need to rise again. Rule 1. Embrace reality without resistance. Musashi lost everything at a young age: his clan, his safety, his future. After the crushing loss in the Battle of Sekigahara, most would have drowned in bitterness. But not Musashi. He made a bold choice: to face reality head-on. When life crashes around you, denial becomes your worst enemy. The more you resist what's happened, the more stuck you become. Acceptance doesn't mean giving up. It means saying, "This is where I am. What's my next move?" That shift from "why me" to "what now" is the first step to healing. Acceptance turns pain into power. It stops the bleeding and lets you begin to rebuild. Rule 2. Don't escape through pleasure. When we're broken, it's tempting to cover the pain with temporary highs. Junk food, endless scrolling, Netflix binges, partying, distractions. Musashi warns us, don't pursue pleasure as a way to numb your suffering. True recovery requires discomfort. Musashi lived rough, on the road, in nature, training constantly, not because he liked pain, but because he knew growth doesn't come from comfort. He rejected luxury and ease, choosing discipline and focus. You don't have to live like a samurai. But remember, healing comes when you face your struggles, not when you run from them. Don't let short-term comfort delay your long-term strength. Rule 3. Master your emotions. Hit rock bottom and emotions will flood you. Anger, sadness, frustration. But here's the truth. Reacting impulsively will only make things worse. Musashi believed that decisions made from raw emotion are usually wrong. He didn't follow his heart. He followed his strategy. In his most famous duel, he stayed calm and calculated, defeating a furious opponent with a single strike. That's your lesson. Feel your emotions, but don't let them drive your choices. If you're about to act out of rage, panic, or despair, pause. Take a step back. Reflect. When clarity returns, so will control. Rule 4. Don't make yourself the center of the universe. Pain makes us self-centered. We start believing our suffering is unique and overwhelming, but Musashi taught, think lightly of yourself and deeply of the world. That means, don't get lost in your own drama. The world is vast, and so are its lessons, opportunities, and perspectives. Step outside your head and reconnect with what's around you. Serve others. Learn something new. Be curious. Be humble. When you stop obsessing over yourself, your problems shrink. You realize you're not alone, and that realization breeds hope. Rule 5. Let go of jealousy. When you're struggling, seeing others succeed can sting. But Musashi's last rule is blunt and life-saving. Never be jealous. Envy is a trap. It drains your energy, clouds your vision, and steals your joy. Musashi never compared his path to others. He focused only on his own improvement, day by day. Instead of resenting someone else's blessings, be inspired by them. Use them as proof that success is possible. And most importantly, be grateful for what you still have. Your health, your resilience, your next chance. Build something unbreakable. Musashi didn't become a legend by avoiding hardship. He became one by transforming it. Each of these 5 rules is a stepping stone. Acceptance replaces denial. Discipline beats distraction. Reason overtakes emotion. Perspective crushes self-pity. Gratitude silences envy. Stack them together and you've got something powerful. A system for rebuilding. Not just surviving, but thriving after your lowest moments. Your life isn't over, it's just broken. and broken things can be rebuilt stronger than ever before.